Ito yung ipapadala ko sa post office. Meron akong papadalhan ng kaibigan. I don't have a lot of Filipino food. I know the feeling, yung nagkikrave ka na gusto mong kumain ng Filipino food tapos wala kang mga ingredients, ganun. So, sabi ko, meron pa naman ako mga magic sarap, sinigang mix, ano pa, ginisa mix. Meron pa akong patis and sardinas. Tapos, binilhan ko din siya ng dried fish. Kasi maraming bilihan dito guys ng dried fish. So sabi ko, bilhan kita kasi doon sa north, wala masyadong mga ganito ba, mga dried fish. Para hindi niya masyado mamiss yung Pilipinas. Ayan, tabagak. Tapos, merong sap-sap. Kita niya ba? Ipapadala natin to sa kanya. And yung box ko, ito lang siya. Ito lang kasi yung meron sa kanila ni Abby kasi wala dito sa bahay kaming box. Pwedeng pagit niya. Sabi niya, kasya na ba yan? Kasi tingnan natin. Konti lang talaga ito. Kasi ito lang naman yung meron ako. That I want to share with her. So yan, finally napack ko na yung parcel na ipapadala ko sa Delhi. Dadrop ko lang to sa post office and then kami ni Mishka pagkatapos maghanap kami ng maliit na cupcake. Siguro sa Smart Bazaar na kami maghahanap because tomorrow is Daddy's birthday. Naka-leave siya bukas. Sabi niya na siguro gagala kami tomorrow. So, yung iniisip ko, mamayang gabi na lang namin siya isa-surprise ni Mishka. Pagdating niya ng bahay, meron kaming cupcake. Ayaw din kasi niya na bumili ako ng cake na malaki, guys. Nag-warning na siya sa akin na wag bumili ng malaking cake para sa kanyang birthday. Nagsa-start na kasi siya sa kanyang fitness journey ulit. So, cupcake lang na maliit yung bibilhin ko. And then, iniisip ko din na magpasta ako ngayong gabi. Parang birthday sa lubong na lang niya. Para bukas, if matuloy man kaming umalis, hindi na namin kailangan bumili ng cake ba para makapag-blow siya ng cake bukas. Hindi din ako bibili ng regalo ngayon sa kanya kasi sabi niya, ayaw niya ng regalo. Actually, nagsisearch ako last time sa Amazon kung ano yung pwede kong ma-order. Yung tinitingnan ko naman guys na mga regalo sa kanya is kailangan niya talaga. Parang wala naman akong naisip na bilhin. So sabi ko, siguro damit na lang. Nakita niya siguro yung search history ko sa Amazon. Kasi isang account lang kami sa Amazon. So, nakita niya siguro kung ano yung mga sinesearch ko para pang lalaki na regalo. Sabi niya, wag kang bumili ng regalo ng kahit na ano para sa akin kasi I don't need anything. So, hindi na ako bibili ng pang regalo sana para sa kanya. So, labas kami ni Mishka para bumili ng maliit na cupcake. We're going to buy cake for Daddy. Cupcake. Just a small cake for Daddy's birthday. Post office. Which one you want for Daddy? Chocolate or vanilla? Butter cupcake. This one? Which one? This one or this one?
This one.
How much is this?
I want the cupcake.
Cupcake? He came home early. And yung plano ko na cupcake lang yung bibilhin, sabi niya, wag nang bilhin. We are back home. Actually, yung binili ko lang naman is macaroni pasta. Kasi magpasta sana ako tonight. Nag-iba na naman yung plano namin, guys. Kasi yung mga friends ni Abhi pala, umorder ng cake sa kanya. And plano sana nilang i-surprise siya dito sa bahay ng cake. So, tumawag siya bago lang kasi may plano kami para bukas. So, nagtanong-tanong siya. Meron silang cake na pa-surprise niya para dito sa isa. So, yung ending, yung simple lang sana namin na pagsalubong sa kanyang birthday ngayong gabi. Kakain kami sa labas. Kasi nga, nag-effort sila na umorder ng cake para sa kanya. So, sabi niya, kakain na lang kami sa labas. So, yun yung birthday celebration niya ngayon. Bukas may pupuntahan kami. So, ngayon na lang natin i-celebrate yung kanyang birthday kasama yung kanyang mga kaibigan dito. And because of the festival yesterday, yung ka-office mate ni Abhi, mayroong binigay sa kanya. Prashad, no? This is prashad.
Sakranti.
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 Sugar cubes, tapos nuts, dry coconut, mixture ng mga nuts. And then may kasama din yung plate. Gold-plated. This is for food siya na, Han? Dali?
Showcase.
Pang display lang pala. Meron din akong binili. Healthy snacks. Roasted chana. We'll bring this for tomorrow and we'll have to bring water. My favorite snack, Bel Puri. Snacks muna. Alas 7 na kasi and yung mga kaibigan niya lalabas daw ng 8:30. I'm just preparing for our water for tomorrow. Para po kasi hindi makalimutan. Dalhin din natin to.
This is for picnic.
Yeah, for picnic tomorrow.
I don't want this.
This one. Because of fruits ba?
What did I do with that? What did I do with that?
Earlier today, sa kanilang school, meron silang inuwing rabbit. Nakaganito siya kanina, no? Umuwi ng bahay. So cute. Hold. Hold it. We'll show Daddy. Hindi pa kasi nakita ni Daddy kanina eh. Nasuot-suot niya. It's so cute. See? Okay. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop. Wait, come here. I'll fix it again. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 and stop. Go clean up your toys now. Okay. It's time to clean.
No, Mommy Rabbit.
Yes, baby rabbit. Clean
No,
up your
Daddy
toys.
Rabbit.
Who will clean?
Sige na, because we are going.
Papa, you clean. How little bunny? Hop, hop, hop.
आपका जो है वो सपोर्ट है लेकिन आपको खुद पे इतना भरोसा दे दीजिए कि किसी ने
12 किलोमीटर होगा और प्लस ट्रैफिक के साथ
प्लस ट्रैफिक के साथ
Ready to celebrate Daddy's birthday. Meron dalang cake.
Come, please get it. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. It was really not required.
Yeah.
Hi.
So now we are
You
going.
should not move.
It's actually late. It's 9 already. Late kasi dumating yung mga kaibigan ni Aki. So dito tayo mag-dinner. The Fort Mercara. Let's go.
Come.
Wala na masyadong tao guys kasi alas 9 na. Mga 8:14 ata kasi dumating itong dalawa sa bahay. Dito kami na restaurant. Unang pumunta nung bago pa lang kami dito ni Abitas. Kasama niya yung kanyang mga office mates. Dito ulit kami kakain ngayon. Kasi parang ito na lang yung natitirang bukas dito na area. One of the few. Is that Goldie? Is that your Goldie?
No, Gold is big. Gold is small.
This one is big.
Yeah, it's not all bigger.
Okay. Ito na yung birthday celebration ni Daddy. Move now, you can move. You can move now. Uy. Uy, you can move now. Freeze. Praise Uncle. Praise Uncle. Wait. You're done eating. Dinner is done. 10:30 here in Madikeri. Halos close na yung mga shops, mga restaurants. We are one of the few people na andito pa sa labas ngayon and kumain. Daddy's dinner party with friends is done.
Half of the Madikeri is sleeping already.
Tulog na yung buong Madikeri. Now let's go home. Meron pa kaming cake doon. So mag-cake cutting kami siguro pag nag-12 na. Meron kaming pa banner. What happened? It's okay, we'll put tape. It's 15 minutes before 12 and we are just putting the banner. Ooh, birthday boy. Our reds are small. Red.
I don't think this will
Yeah,
come.
that's fine. Oh, that's fine.
Oh, you need red ones. Okay.
It's already 12, guys. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday!
Happy 35th! It's 35. Oh my gosh. Yung aming mga balloons, merong malalaki, merong maliliit. But it's already 12, so let's open the cake. Ayan. You stand here, Daddy. This side. Mishka will be feeling sad that we have not invited her.
Okay, where I will put this here. No, sure.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Is it good? Tell us, how do you feel on your 31st birthday?
How it feels being 35.
Being 35 years in this earth, you would have gone across so many people, so many cultures,
35
so many
years
characters
of experience,
in this earth.
life's experience.
I think that real life is now it is unfolding. Earlier I think that what I was living it was a shallow world. I was running behind mirage. Now I can see the visibility for what I have to run.
When was the day you had that reawakening?
When Mishka was born. After Mishka, she came in my life.
What is the most ridiculous talent you have?
We're doing Q&A.
What is the most ridiculous talent you have?
Ridiculous talent. Sometimes I can work some back to back, some 8-10 times.
Okay. Okay.
That is the most ridiculous and annoying.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Favorite childhood memory?
Diwali. Diwali firecrackers.
Diwali. But Diwali, every year I was very much excited for Diwali.
What do you do if you won a lottery? फन्ना करता क्या बोलूँगा मैं
How much? What amount?
Let's say 3,000 crores.
3,000 crores.
It's a lottery. That's a lottery.
Huh? 100 crore also if you are giving me. What will do?
Travel the world.
Huh?
You don't want to travel the world.
100 crore is not required.
Okay, now let's keep it like this. Okay, you have 3,000 crores, but you have only 30 days to spend it. How will you spend it? now you will say.
Can't 30 days.
They can't be spent.
No, it's not that you have to spend, but maybe you want to give someone somewhere.
That's what you should not donate.
Yeah.
You should not give us a loan.
No donation. No donation.
No donation. Okay.
I'll
No
tell you
loan.
after, okay?
You just have to spend it. Let's say okay, not 3,000 crores. Keep it to 300 crores.
300 crores.
It's
I can spend.
uh,
I can buy a penthouse in Delhi, Mumbai.
And also by the end of 30th day, you should not have any of your possessions.
Buy a penthouse.
You should not have any possession.
Huh?
You should not have any possession.
So what
Huh?
you will do with that?
He has to spend it.
On what?
You can spend it on anything, but on the end of 30th day, it should not be there.
I'll tell later after this question, okay?
Hey.
நான் இங்க பாரு.
ஜாலி இருக்குன்னா முட்டை சொல்லணும் லாஸ்டா சொல்லணும் அது முன்னாடியே சொல்லணும் அது நான் சொல்ல போறேன்னே சொல்லக்கூடாது
Adel. Next.
What about you? No, let him answer the question. What he will
Me?
do. Yeah. Let him answer.
It's a
Good.
question for you.
Huh? I cannot spend 300 crores without having possession. Because you have to buy. Actually, real happiness, for real happiness, there is not so much money is required. It's with friends and family only.
Yeah.
No, you can't turn the question this side, okay? How will you spend it?
You give me 1 month in a cozy 5-star hotel. That is my happiest. It is my heaven with my family. I don't need more than
Okay,
that.
சொல்லிடு வேணாம். போதும்.
Huh?
சொல்லு.
What about no? Ask him also the same
Ah,
question.
okay, நீ சொல்லு.
I will rent the most costliest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, for a day. For 30 days, I will rent it, and I will, let anyone whoever is coming free of cost.
No.
All the 130 floors. As simple as that.
And what is your wish on your birthday today? On your 35th birthday? What's your heart's desire?
But I want to live long because I want to spend most of my life, more of my life with my Mishka and him. That's why I want to live the healthy life, so I can live more with my family.